Hello everyone, welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the brand new ReMarkable Connect, and we're going to be talking about it, what it is, and as a subscription service, what does it mean to the experience when being a ReMarkable user. So let's dive in today's video. Before we begin, folks, please do check out our Medium. We're writing some interesting stories about the future of productivity applications. You can check the link in the description. So, as you can imagine, ReMarkable have been selling tablets, paper tablets, for a few years now with the ReMarkable 1 and ReMarkable 2. But as you can imagine, like most businesses that sell sort of one-off products, they naturally want to be able to monetize their business in the future. And they've sort of found a way to do that in the future. And it's called ReMarkable Connect. I actually first saw this on the ReMarkable Reddit thread when people were talking about ReMarkable introducing some premium pricing ongoing to their experience. But essentially what that is Connect, and it's a cloud service that helps you to boost or sort of bolster your existing experience with ReMarkable. So let me explain it very simply. Inside of ReMarkable Connect, you get a few things. You get the unlimited cloud storage, you get Google Drive and Dropbox integrations, which are brand new, and you get handwriting conversion and also screen share and any extra benefits they add in the future. So if you're an existing ReMarkable user, you will get this for free, but you have to accept the new terms and conditions, which are in the email, and that should be ongoing. And that's for anyone that's bought, I believe, the ReMarkable 1 and ReMarkable 2, but I'll include details of that below. So that's good for new users, and they're not forcing you into a plan. I'm sure in the future they might add a plus experience, which would probably be a little bit more money, but give you more. However, they're grandfathering everyone in, which is great news. For those who have not got a ReMarkable tablet yet, the ReMarkable 1 and 2 will still be available. And on the website, they're actually cheaper to buy outright. So essentially, if you were going in with no plan, no Connect plan today, and that's just the basics, you wouldn't get any of the cloud services or the integrations and things like that, you're going to be paying the full price, $399 in the UK, for example. However, if you chose a Connect plan, and they have two Connect plans, Connect Lite and Just Connect, Connect Lite will just give you unlimited storage, but you will be paying £4.99 a month. And naturally, nothing changes because you'll be getting unlimited cloud storage. Your price would remain the same, but you'd be paying $4.99 more on the initial payment, so $403.99. However, if you move to their Connect plan, their sort of main Connect plan, which includes everything, the sort of unlimited cloud storage, Google Drive, and all that sort of jazz, you'll be paying £100 less up front. And that's because they're sort of reducing their initial payments so that you get a cheaper tablet, but you are on their subscription plan. And naturally, once you're on their subscription plan, you get access to all of those 5 benefits at the moment. So that also extends, they do a £50 discount on any accessories that you're going to buy. So they're actually making it sort of a lot nicer in the experience in terms of like being able to get an actual paper tablet up front is a lot less money. And they've also extended the warranty to a 36-month warranty. And also they've introduced a new 100-day satisfaction plan, which means that you're sort of getting a bit more as a brand new user, which is nice. And they've sort of done good for the past users and the future users. It does say here that you can cancel anytime, but in their sort of announcement announcement blog, they actually sort of covered the fact that they will be adding this Google Drive and Dropbox integration, which, to be honest, is a big upgrade to the ReMarkable experience. Being able to connect to those cloud services will save you huge amounts of time. I email everything to Evernote at the moment, and I can imagine just being able to connect it to either two of those services would probably save me some time. Also, they've added a brand new screen share, which has been in beta for a while, but they've really sort of polished it up, and you can see it here, which makes it allowable. You can connect it to any of the presentations you're doing. So think Zoom and being able to visually demonstrate things in front of everyone else. So they are doing sort of a lot more in the experience. Okay, so I've just sort of seen some of the terms and conditions for new users who are considering buying a ReMarkable 2. And it says to receive the device discount, a 3-month pre-played Connect plan of £23.97 non-refundable is required. And the monthly billing of £7.99 begins once your 100-day satisfaction period is completed. You can cancel any time. So it seems fairly reasonable. Let me just sort of price up what it would be for a brand new user. So if I went with the more expensive setup, you can see there that the full pricing comes out, but you get a £150 discount. So that's up to £150 collectively over accessories. So that includes the ReMarkable Plus there and the Book Folio Leather Brown Edition, as well as a 3-month prepaid Connect plan. Now, as you can see, it's coming out at about £570, which obviously you can make cheaper based on the accessories you get, but it is cheaper than the collective plan overall. For those who are ReMarkable 2 users or ReMarkable 1, you're probably wondering, what does the experience look like? So all you need to do to get the free Connect plan is basically sign into your account. And as you can see, you've got full free access to this plan, and they say we're valued early customers. And as you can imagine, your free plan includes all launch features such as Google Drive, Dropbox integration and screen share. Well, I'm not going to say anything, but I can imagine in the future they would probably look to change this, just because it's the nature of how they would try and monetize the existing users. Imagine you've got, say, 100,000 people already using a ReMarkable. You would probably want to work out a way of getting them on some sort of Connect plan, whether that's Connect Plus in the future. You've got Connect Lite, Connect Plus. That could potentially be an addition. This is the way that business models are probably going to work in the future. I'm on something called the Whoop band, and it's like a device that sort of tracks your health and all that. And I'm paying like was paying £30 a month, but then they have like a Whoop Plus plan, which they didn't grandfather other people into it, but you pay an extended plan. And it's just a way to sort of get people into plans, because naturally subscription pricing is much better for them in the long term, especially if you're sort of looking to make a third edition, which naturally, if they are, then this sort of monetization model, business model, will actually pay more dividends in the future. Anyway, folks, not a bad experience, actually quite a good one. If you think about it, everyone who's got a ReMarkable gets Connect. Everyone who's going to buy a ReMarkable sort of gets a cheaper price in their sort of plan. They get a new cloud service and they get extended warranty and things like that. And also it means that you're going to be sort of into a new cloud service, which potentially has potential of adding more features in the future. So not a bad experience overall, to be honest. And naturally, you can check out my review of the ReMarkable 2 if you wanted to, as well as the ReMarkable 1. We've done both reviews on those. As a ReMarkable 2 user, I'll do a review on Connect very soon, give you an overview of how the Google Drive integration and Dropbox integration work. But a big thank you for coming on today's video. If you enjoyed it, please do hit subscribe and also like today's video. Comment with your opinions on Connect, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio, folks.